Okay, you guys, I have a new obsession, multitasking cleansers. And when I get excited about something, I just have to share it. I also wanted to make sure that I included options for every budget, so I have been testing them out for you. Honestly, I did find it a bit challenging to find a multitasking cleanser that met my standards. I needed something that was good for sensitive skin, that was paraben-free, and that had clean beauty principles. But I did find one, and I've been testing it out, and now I'm ready to share my top 3 picks with you. Yes, I know these products are nothing new, but I have to say, as a salon owner and stylist for over 23 years, I have access to so many products and I just can't keep up. But these days, it's all about simplifying my routine and saving time. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with Oribe. This is the most expensive, the most luxurious of the 3. This one is $49. This product has been in my life for about 10 years and has been my go-to for recommending to my clients, and my husband loves it. I definitely recommend this product if you are an everyday washer and you just can't help yourself, somebody who needs a little extra moisture, and especially someone who has curly or textured hair. It goes on like a conditioner and it rinses out like a conditioner. I'm gonna show you the texture because it really does look like a conditioner. So this is the product, is what it looks like. You can tell it's really creamy, like a conditioner. It has a very luxurious smell. I have a client who uses it on her dogs because she loves the way that it makes her dog's fur feel and smell. It is safe to use and gentle enough to use on your animals, yes. If you love your animals that much and want to treat them to a luxurious shampoo. It's also a very great product for men who want to simplify their routine, who don't want to spend a ton of time on their hair. It also leaves the hair with a little tiny bit of residue, so it feels like there might be a little bit of product in your hair, which is really good for curly hair and textured hair. It might be a little bit on the heavy side if you have extremely fine hair, but it's not non-negotiable. I use it on my hair, I actually use it on my hair today, and I have very fine hair. I just make sure that I'm not using a leave-in conditioner on top of it, and that I actually use a good volumizing product afterwards. Of course, one of the reasons why it's so expensive is it has top quality ingredients and it is very concentrated, so it will last you a very long time. The next mid-level priced one is R+Co's Analog Cleansing Foam Conditioner. This one's priced at $34. Now, I wish I found this one sooner because I really love this one, and this one is my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and say that now. And I can tell you for a few different reasons. It's not as heavy as the Oribe's cleansing cream, and it's a little bit more fun to use. Let me show you. It goes on like a mousse. Just wait. Really, a little bit goes a long way as well. So it starts off like this, and shouldn't have worn jewelry. Turns into a moussey mousse. And then it's really easy to emulsify into your hair and also helps remove any of your extra product that you may have in there. Because sometimes when you are shampooing your hair, you might need to feel like you have to do a double cleanse to get rid of all of your product that you had in there, a lot of extra dry shampoo. But with both of these products I just shared with you, that is one really good thing about them because it will actually kind of help release all of the old product. This one is very lightweight and is very moisturizing, and it leaves your hair with a lot of shine. So those are the reasons why I'm obsessed with this one. It has a very nice scent that is not overbearing. And a bonus with this product is it offers UV protectant. Now, our third one and the most budget friendly is the Native 2-in-1 Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. This one is only $10, and I was actually very shocked that it was only $10. I'm like, isn't the packaging at least $10? And it's a 16 ounce, so you will get a lot of use out of this one. This one was definitely a little different out of the 3. Like I said, it was surprisingly hard to find one. I went up and down aisles and aisles of different stores, and I actually ended up having to find this on the Native's website. Also, my entire career as a hairstylist, I always told my clients they needed to buy a salon professional shampoo to make sure that it's not causing buildup or weighing their hair down, and was gonna be color safe. So when I found a $10 shampoo, I was a little weary that it was gonna work, but I have to say there are some really good things about it, and there was some really questionable things that I will get into. So the first time I used it, I was really surprised that, and I'll show you, that it came out like a shampoo would, the shampoo that I would typically think would come out looking like. And it didn't get creamy or like the other two, and it actually sudsed up very much like a shampoo. And most co-washes or cleansing creams, they don't have a suds. And most sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners don't suds up as well. So I was very surprised at that. But I did like it. I did like the fact that my hair felt very clean afterwards. It emulsified very well, and it got a lot of the other products that I had in my hair. Because I try not to shampoo my hair, but twice a week maybe. I'm able to go 3 to 4 days with all the new dry shampoos out there. So sometimes if I don't use a cleansing cream or co-wash or 2-in-1 or something like that, I will sometimes have to shampoo my hair twice to make sure I get all of the old product out of my hair. So this one has a very strong fragrance called Autumn and Air. And it smells good, but it's very overpowering. And it kind of reminded me of walking into a Bath and Body Works. You're like, whoa. And it did kind of follow me around for the rest of the day. My husband was like, whoa, what does that smell? So if you are sensitive to smells or scents, that one might be a reason enough to stay away from that one. But if you don't mind and you like to smell like a candle all day long, that one probably be a good reason for you to go ahead and buy that one. And like I said, when something smells that strong, I am a little weary that that really is paraben-free, silicone-free, and sulfate-free. So when I look at the back, it does itemize very limited ingredients, but in the middle, it says fragrance. So I'm not really sure how that works, but that makes me wonder about the product. That just kind of makes me wonder about the sensitivity of the product. I do have to say, I used it a couple times. I used it twice, and I don't know. It could be wrong, could be the time of year, but my head did itch a little bit, and I don't really want to say for sure that it was that, but maybe it was the fragrance, but I am very, very sensitive. And I have to say, these two also have fragrance in them. So I don't know, could just be the quality of the fragrance. I also have to say about this one, it did feel nice afterwards. It shampooed in like a shampoo, and it rinsed out very nice. It actually felt silky enough. It did leave my hair with a little bit of texture. So if you have fine hair, that would be good for you. But if you have maybe a little bit more dry or coarser hair, then I would probably lean on one of the other two products, or make sure that you're using a leave-in conditioner afterwards. But that kind of like defeats the whole purpose of, simplifying your routine. Besides that, I really do give it a thumbs up for a $10 product. I mean, I can't really complain about that. One of the best things I love about these products is how they simplify your routine, they save you time, and in the long run, they save you money. All right, there you have my top 3 multitasking cleansers. Let me know if you have a multitasking cleanser that I should try. I love to try new things. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.